What's happening, guys? I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on the AAW Woodturning Symposium that's happening next weekend. I'm super excited. So, a couple of little updates, and I wanted to share what I'll be bringing up there. So, again, if you don't know, if you didn't see the other video, I'm going to be doing some demos along with Scott Grove, Rebecca Degroot, Heath Knuckles, Carl Jacobson, and Bradley McCalister. We're all going to be doing demos at the Easy Wood Tools booth, lots of different ones too. So if you're in the Portland area next weekend, June 14 through 17, definitely you want to come out and check it out. It'll be really fun. So each of us has a time slot where we're going to be doing a very specific project over the course of the weekend, and I'll have that kind of list of everybody's time slots and what they're doing on my website. But mine is going to be Sunday morning at 9:30 a.m. I'm going to be turning up an aluminum honeycomb pen blank. So I'll be doing that for sure. However, I'm bringing a ton of blanks. I've got lots of different things that I'm going to be bringing because we're going to be hanging out at the booth, all weekend. So I'm going to kind of give you guys a little bit of a teaser of all the different goodies that I've come up with. I've been kind of preparing this week to get lots of good stuff to bring. I'm not sure if we're going to be all, able to get to all of these things. It just kind of depends on the timing and all that, but it should be pretty fun, and I wanted to make sure that I was coming prepared so that we could do some cool projects. Now, I'm also going to be handing out some little swag giveaways. I got some keychains that I made with aluminum honeycomb cast in Alumilite. So I thought that'd be kind of fun to just hand out some cool stuff. So I only have about 25 of them total, so I'm going to be kind of spreading them out. I'll only have so many per day. So first come, first serve. So when you come up to the booth, definitely ask, and hopefully I will have some left so you can grab a cool keychain. All right, so a couple of final little announcements. On Friday night during the symposium, we're going to be having a meet and greet at the Altabira Tavern. So it's about a block away from the convention center. Starting at 9 p.m., we're all just going to be kind of hanging out there. I think they have like a rooftop bar type thing. And we're going to be hanging out, meeting people, talking, wood turning and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you can make it out to that. It should be a really cool event. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention, I just heard about this, Easy Wood Tools is going to be giving away an Easy Chuck each day of the symposium. So make sure that you head over to the Easy Wood Tools booth and ask about that so you can get entered to win one. They're awesome chucks. So it's shaping up to be a pretty awesome, jam-packed, fun-filled wood turning weekend. I hope to see you guys all out there. Don't forget, I've got some keychains to give away, and they're going to be doing the giveaway for the Easy Chuck each day of the symposium. So make sure to stop by the Easy Wood Tools booth, say hi, get entered, and grab a keychain. Now, for everybody that can't make it, we got a little bit of a consolation prize for you guys. We're going to be doing some live streaming. I know that Carl and myself, probably Heath, maybe Rebecca too, all of us are going to be posting lots, and most of us are going to be doing some live streaming. Actually, I think Scott will too. So keep an eye on all of our social medias. We'll be kind of randomly doing it. I know for myself, I'll probably do a Twitch stream, maybe a Facebook, and maybe like a YouTube or Instagram. I don't know. We're just going to kind of try and hit all the different social media things up. Get as much footage as we can from the show, and share as much as we can with everybody that couldn't be there. So hopefully you'll kind of feel like you were part of the action and see what's happening there. Now, everybody that is traveling to Portland, safe travels, and I will see you guys there.